cool. A mini flower that you could build. So cool. Yeah. Ooh, tiny plants. Ooh. Succulents, you could build them. Yeah, that's so. Wait a minute. Delete.
Okay. How on earth are these Lego building flower pots for 18 plus only? This looks cool to build. I was shocked when this would be 18 plus.
Yeah, socks is 16 and this is unexpectedly 18 plus for some reason.
Yeah! But good thing another building item is just 16 plus. Look at this one.
Ding. Yeah.
Yeah, good thing this is 16 plus. Somehow.
Yeah, but we don't know why or how that other builder flower pot was 18 plus. It's not inappropriate. It looks suitable for kids like socks.
Yeah! Bye.
The end.